Connor Tapley with Tier 1 Inspection Services. I've been asked by John Goodwin with Goodwin Construction to come and simulate a repair at 1367 Hidden Ridge Lane. The insured's name is Eric Harris. The topic in question is the replacement and compatibility of an Owens Corning OC Pro 30. So we'll be using Owens Corning current shingle in production, which is the Oak Ridge. We've got it in driftwood to match the color as closely as possible. We're going to go up top and see if we can demonstrate a contrast in the dimensions. I've got you holding the camera. Let's see if I can just go ahead and demonstrate this before I slide the shingle in. So I've got this lined up on this side. If you just want to zoom in and show them that right there, about an inch of overlap that it's going to cause. Dropping everything. Don't see any point in driving fasteners into this, knowing and showing that it won't fit. I'll give you a close-up, and then I'm going to replace the original shingle so as not to void the warranty. You can see, it's butted all the way up to the next existing shingle with about a little less than an inch of overlap here. Also along the nail line, and it does not have the same sealant strip. This will prevent proper bondage. I'm going to replace the original shingle.